Over the years, several development and innovation have come across for further minimize the rapid of natural resources in the environment. Basic necessities such as food and water have an integral part of the everyday lives on Earth. Water plays a significant role in the environment. Globally, 70% of water come from natural resources such as groundwater system, lakes, and rivers to support crop irrigation and feeding of livestock. With the irrigation system, it is important to maximize plant productivity, efficient energy consumption, and reduce water wastage. Several approaches have been made by the researchers on how to improve the irrigation system. With the global energy crisis, initiative for moving towards the application of renewable energy carried out as possible solution, investing on zero carbon emission and using efficient products. The most abundant source of energy is the sun. Generating electricity from the solar energy through photovoltaic cells is being widely used nowadays. Encouraging the use of this energy efficient system in various sectors creates a slowly declining cost to build up the solar technology. The application can be used in irrigation system since it is a way of producing clean energy for the environment. There are many applications for the solar generation system to consider such as irrigation system, livestock watering and domestic usage. There are various methods of application for an irrigation system, including the agriculture production. The abundant water resources, however, to meet the present growing demand usage of water supply. It is important to have a strategic and well managed irrigation practices, as irrigation system is essential for maximizing the plant growth and high quality crop production. It is essential to have an effective irrigation management. With the traditional irrigation system, water wastage and manual labor task is an issue. Utilizing the technology on this area of involving the technology is a comprehensive approach in different types of application, including the irrigation system. In a broad sense, technology is simply interconnection of devices through the internet. These devices range from the sensors to smartphones, which is easily connected to each other. It can gather information that a user can regenerate and analyze the data to create a solution. With technology, it provides an opportunity to be more efficient and approaching things, saving energy and effort for being responsible in the interaction of devices. With the approach of internet, a smart irrigation, it will be optimized of water resources and plant production. The user can remotely monitor the system without the being physical present in that particular area. The core technology presents a collection of processing of data through the internet and can quickly give immediate action of emerging issues and changing in the condition. A smart farming of technology driven agriculture system involves the third green revolution and upon the applications of data driven analysis on based on technology such as precise and accurate networks for sensor and other devices. The integration of technology create a resource efficient approach that delivers more productive and sustainable overall production efficiency. Several aspects has been researched to provide solution of modern plant production. In this modern society, the paramount importance of environment change into the people's perspective, especially with the energy and food demand, with the increasing population rate. With the use of renewable resources like the solar energy, it can be beneficial and increasingly popular method for irrigation use. Producing energy through the sunlight can be easily accessed whenever the sun shines and feed the overall irrigation system. Most developed traditional system has been expensive and generate huge water loss. Example is the use of diesel and gasoline engine motors for the water pumps that can costly high maintenance. The system also uses conventional energy used the oftentimes become the reliable energy services. We utilize the solar generation of electric to supply the water pumps and watering process. In this solar powered system, the source of energy is free and a cost effective investment for the user. And that thanks that overall that we need the solar irrigation system with the solar power plant and the moderated device.